Here are some tips and tricks when you adapt your residential activities to online ones. Number 1. Roll with the punches. Flexibility is crucial. Even with a well-planned agenda, be prepared to adapt to unexpected technical issues or participant needs. Show participants that you're adaptable by adjusting plans on the fly. For example, if you see that your activity doesn't work for the group, always have an alternative or a filler, or do a seamless transition to the alternative. Number 2. Get the conversation started. Use video conference tools like Zoom, Jitsi Meet, GatherTown, etc. Do a check-in game like pass on the toilet paper, and when needed, create breakout rooms. Smaller groups, around 4 to 6 participants, encourage active engagement. Allow time for introduction and sharing. Participants connect better when they can contribute their thoughts and ideas. Number 3. Keep the focus on learning. When transitioning a residential activity online, consider its precise learning objectives. Ask, what skills or knowledge should participants gain? How can this be achieved virtually? Tailor your approach accordingly. Remember, adaptability is all about embracing change and finding innovative ways to engage young people in online spaces.